Hi, I am Devi, doing Advanced Diploma in Montessori and Primary Education at Wonderbees Montessori Training Institute. I have applied for BSS and WSC certificate. Thank you. Good morning, children. Today I am going to share with you an interesting story. I am going to tell about a story with the lion and the mouse. Okay, this is the lion. The lion is the king of the jungle, and the lion says, roar, right? And this little mouse is a naughty little mouse who lives in the jungle. Okay, so now let us go into the story. One day, the lion was sleeping under a tree. He was sleeping peacefully. And this little mouse was playing around the same tree. He's jumping here and there, hopping and running here and there. Okay, he saw the lion was sleeping and he started to think, let me jump on the lion's back and slide down. So he quickly ran to the lion and jumped on the lion's back and slide down. Whee! The little mouse was having so much of fun. But this disturbed the lion. The lion woke up angry and the lion said, roar! He was very angry. You can see the face, right? This is the angry face of the lion. And the lion said, how dare you disturb my sleep? And this little mouse was quickly apologizing to the lion. I'm very sorry, Mr. Lion. I will not disturb you again. Please leave me. I will help you someday, the little mouse said. And the lion said, how dare you disturb my sleep? I will not let you go today. I will eat you, said the lion. And the little mouse again asked for forgiveness. Please, Mr. Lion, please leave me. I will help you someday. I promise, he said. And the lion said, go on now. I will not eat you. Do not disturb me again after this, said the lion. And a few days later, the lion was sleeping under the same tree again. But this time, a hunter came and put a net on the lion. He became trapped. So he started crying. Oh, help me, someone, please help me, said the lion. And this little mouse, who was nearby the tree, heard the lion. And he quickly came and saw, and the lion was under the net. He quickly bite the net. He bite off the net and freed the lion. The lion was very thankful to the little mouse. He said, oh, thank you so much, little mouse. You helped me today. Let us be friends. And today we have learned we can be kind to one another no matter how big or small we are, like the lion and the mouse. Thank you. Now I'm going to tell a rhyme with the letter J. Okay, now let's see. Put our hands like this. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. Now we have learned the rhymes for the letter J. The letter J sounds J. J. Okay. Next, we will see a story for letter J. One day, a jaguar and a J. The letter J sounds J. J. Okay. Next, we will see a story for letter J. One day, a jaguar and a jackal went for a walk in the jungle wearing their jackets. Okay, they were walking in the jungle and it was a hot sunny day. So they felt very hot and thirsty. So they decided to take off their jackets and head back home. They were very thirsty, so they started making a juice. They made a juice in the jug. Okay, this is an orange juice in the jug. So they drink the juice and they jumped in joy. That's it. Thank you. About the community helpers. Okay, let us go into the rhymes. Doctor, doctor, what do you do? I help when you're sick with the flu and cold. Nurse, nurse, what do you do? I care for you when you are weak. Policeman, policeman, what do you do? I help to keep safe in everything you do. Fireman, fireman, what do you do? I fight fires to keep you safe. Soldier, soldier, what do you do? I keep our country safe for you. Teacher, teacher, what do you do? I teach you how to read and write. Dentist, dentist, what do you do? I keep your teeth clean and bright. Farmer, farmer, what do you do? I grow vegetables and fruits for you. Mechanic, mechanic, what do you do? I fix cars and the wheels too. Barber, barber, what do you do? I trim your hair to keep it neat. Thank you. To learn about adjectives. Okay. Now, before we go into our topic today, we will see a few objects here. Okay. I have a ball in my hands. Okay. Let us see the shape of this ball first. This is a circle shape, right? This is a circle shape. And what color it is? This is a white color, red color, and a black color. This is how I describe. This book is rectangle in shape, green in color, and how it feels light to our weight, right? Okay, the way I describe the ball and the book is called adjectives. Adjectives are words that we use to describe the nouns around us. Noun, today I'm going to introduce number 5 to you all. Okay, I will use our fingers like this and trace it together. Okay, shall we? Sleeping line, standing line, and half a circle. This makes the number 5. Number 5. Okay, let me introduce a simple rhyme for this number. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, sleeping, standing, half a circle. Sleeping, standing, half a circle. Sleeping, standing, half a circle to make a number 5. To make a number 5. Good morning, cuties. Now I'm going to introduce money, an interesting topic, and it's very useful for our daily life. So in our daily life, we need so many things. Money. Okay, we will see first the Indian rupee symbol. This is the Indian rupee symbol. Everyone can see? Okay, now I'll introduce the Indian currency notes and coins. These are the coins. 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees. And these are the notes. 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, and 500 rupees. Next, we will go into a simple counting money activity. Okay, I have an amount here, 150 rupees. Let us count with the notes that we have in our hands now. So, 100 rupees note and 150 rupees notes make up the amount of 150 rupees. So that's how we count the money. Okay, now let us see another fun activity, which is the activity to buy and sell from the grocery shops here. Okay, today I'm going to take up the role of a buyer. Now first, when I'm going to the shop, I will decide what I'm going to buy, right? So today I'm going to buy a brown tape. I saw what I needed in the shop. So the MRP price for this brown tape is 50 rupees. So I will count 50 rupees in my hands. I have the 50 rupee notes here and I will use the money to pay the seller. So that's how we can take up the role of buyer. Thank you. Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the way we travel. We travel for many purposes daily in our life. We travel for many purposes in our daily life. So let us see 3 different transports which are available. Okay, so first is air transport, which we use to travel in the air. Okay, second is the land transport, which are used on the land, the transportations which are used on the land. Third, we will see the transportations which goes on the water. Okay, so first we have an aeroplane here. It travels in long distance travel. For example, we are traveling to another country. Okay, so we will use air transports. Next, we will see the land transports. Train, bus, bicycle, car, and goods lorry. Okay. Third, we will see the water transport. Sailboat, rowboat, ship, and so on. These are the 3 types of transportation. So I'll have an activity here. I'll introduce this toy. So you're going to tell me which transport is this. Okay, this is a bike. This is a motorbike. So which transport this will be? This will be the land transport. Correct. Next one, I have an helicopter here, right? So which transport this will be? This will be the air transport. Okay, cuties. Now you understand transportations. Good. Thank you.